sign of escalating tensions with Saudi Arabia, Indian public sector refiners will buy 36% less oil from that country in May than normal. Here's why. The refiners, Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, and Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, usually buy 14.8 million barrels of oil from Saudi Arabia in a month. They have placed orders to buy only 9.5 million barrels of oil from Saudi Arabia in May, compared to the previously planned 10.8 million barrels, three sources have said. No immediate comment is available from the Indian company Saudi Aramco or the Saudi Oil Ministry. This move comes even as the Organization for Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies, popularly known as OPEC Plus, agreed to gradually ease their oil output cuts from May on Thursday. This decision was taken after the Biden administration called on Saudi Arabia, who is the de facto leader of the group, to keep energy affordable for consumers. On Sunday, Saudi Arabia raised the official selling price of its oil for Asia while cutting it for Europe and American markets. One of the sources said, "We are surprised that they announced cuts for other markets while raising OSPs for Asia." India has suggested that refiners look for energy alternatives to Gulf oil, its primary source of crude. Oil PSUs are now buying from other countries, including Brazil, Guyana, and Norway. Energy relations between India and Saudi Arabia have soured since the global oil prices spiked. New Delhi blames the production cuts by the Saudis and other oil producers for driving up the crude prices, even as India and other nations across the world try to recover from the pandemic. To know more about this, you can listen to our podcast on the same topic. The link is in the description box below. On Friday, Foreign Affairs Ministry spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said that India always believed that crude supply should be market determined rather than artificially managed, and added that the OPEC Plus's decision to ease oil production cut is still far below India's expectations.